Joining me now is Marco Roque, President and CEO of Cassiar Gold. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Mark.
So you've got this mine in BC, and Kobe Kushner of Red Cloud, he visited there, and he also says of some of your recent assay results, they were quote unquote fantastic.
You know, we already have a 1.4 million ounce inferred resource at 1.14 grams per ton right at surface, and that resource is effectively open in all directions. It's a pit constrained resource, open pitable deposit, where 90% of the ounces occur within 150 meters from surface, so it's wide open. We don't know how big it's going to get, and in addition to that, we also have these high-grade veins where most of the historical production has come from. So there's a lot of potential for resource expansion. It's a very, very exciting property, but you know what really sets us apart is the fact that we have existing infrastructure, because we're a brownfield project. We have Highway 37 bisecting our property, 160 kilometers of property access roads, a fully owned and permitted mill, 25 kilometers of underground development already sunk in. We have tailings facilities. You know, we're in a very unique position, and we have a really great team to go along with it, with this asset, and we have the social license to operate, and we are very attractively valued. So I think it's a really unique combination, to be honest, and it's a very exciting company to run, and you know, it's a great team to lead, and it's, you know, I'm very, you know, excited about the prospects of this asset.
And can investors expect a steady news flow and quite a positive news flow from these drill results you've got pending? Because you drilled 50 holes. Yeah,
actually, yes, no, actually we drilled 70 holes last year. 23,000 meters was the largest drill campaign to date. In 2021 we drilled 11,000 meters. In 2020 we drilled 5,000 meters. So you know, we've been growing the drilling campaigns as we speak. And as of now, so before yesterday we had 45 drill holes to release, roughly 5,300 meters. Today we just released 8 drill holes, and we still have basically 37 drill holes, almost 13,000 meters of drilling to release in the next 4 or 5 weeks. So you know, it's quite exciting. So far we've been, you know, hitting above cutoff grade, in many instances above resource grade in almost every single drill hole. So you know, quite looking forward to see what's coming next.
And lastly, Marco, you've got Eric Sprott as a shareholder, U.S. Global. So what should investors know about the shareholder base and overall the overall? I mean, you've been detailing it here. The overall value proposition with your company.
Absolutely. So we've in the last 2.5 years, we've went from almost no institutional investors to, you know, we have over 20 institutional investors, you know, from Canada, US, Europe, Australia, Hong Kong, Asia, you name it. So we've built a really good and very supported institutional shareholder base that, you know, is now getting almost to 25% of the share registry. We also have you know, very good insider ownership, and I think we are a very, very attractively valued company. You know, the replacement value of the infrastructure alone is worth multiple times our market cap. We have a really nice resource base with a lot of growth potential. And I think, you know, investors that understand this space well and have you know, had the time to have a look at us, they'll probably agree with me and find that too. So I'll invite you know, anyone that is listening to have a look at what we have, and feel free to reach out and ask questions. We want to continue to expand our institutional and shareholder base, and you know, I think we have a very compelling story here.
For sure. Well, thanks for telling us about Cassiar Gold and giving us more information.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Okay, Marco Roque, President and CEO, Cassiar Gold.